In our previous video, we showed you how to set up Smart DNS Proxy on Roku. But as you guys know, when you first set up your Roku, you need to enter your PayPal or credit card details. But guess what? There's another way to work around it and still use it. Though, before we get started, it should be clear that Roku does not charge you for activation or installation, but it does ask you for your billing details in case you want to buy any paid channels in the future. But guess what? You can even activate Roku without a credit card. I'm Vamsy in Smart DNS Proxy, and here's how you go about it. If you're already using Roku, then reset the device by going to System, Advanced System Settings, and then Factory Reset. Enter the 4 digits you see on the screen to reset your device. Or if it's your first time that you plugged in your Roku, then you should see this setup page. So select a language and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Let it detect the best screen resolution for you. Once that's done, it'll ask you to activate Roku by going to the web browser. Just write down the 4-digit alphanumeric code in a piece of paper or something. We'll need that for later. So to do this, you need to use your computer, and instead of going to the link that's showed on the TV, go to this custom link you can see on the screen. You can also find it in the description below. Create a new account by entering your general details like name, email, password, just like you did before when you first set up the device. In the next section, it'll ask you whether or not you want your PIN code before you make a purchase. I'd suggest you set up any 4-digit PIN that you can probably remember. And that's it, your new Roku is created. In the account section, you'll see the option to update your payment method. In the future, if you decide to watch paid channels on Roku, you can update your billing details from here. For now, let's skip it and let's set up your Roku without a credit card. To do this, go to roku.com and enter the code you can see on the screen just now. In the next screen, click on I already have a Roku account and sign into the one you just created in the previous step. In the next step, you might want to refresh the browser if you can't see anything on the screen. Next, it'll ask you to enter your payment details. Wait, what? Well, fortunately, if you scroll down, you should see an option to skip I'll add later. Give a name to your device and then you're done. Now head over to your television where we have to set up your Roku device. You'll notice Roku will update your channels. You can download channels like Netflix and log in as well. But what about Amazon Prime videos or Hulu? Well, the downside to this method is you can't watch US or UK channels on Roku. In a nutshell, if you want to use Roku without a credit card, use the special link in the description below. But if you want to watch geo-restricted content, well then, you're just going to have to enter your credit card or PayPal details. We've done an entire video on that, so check out for that video in the description below. Also, check out our other videos on best channels for Roku and Apple TV. We'll be putting that out real soon, so keep an eye out for that. As always, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, like this video if you like this one, and I'm Vamsy from Smart DNS Proxy, and thanks for watching.